I've always wondered what it would be like to live forever, and it turns out we might be closer to that reality than we think. Imagine turning 30 every 50 years, your great-great-grandchildren calling you bro instead of ancestor, death becoming a choice, not an inevitability. Scientists are closer than ever to cracking the aging code, but society is nowhere near ready for what comes next. Now, you might be wondering, is this just science fiction? Well, it's not. Researchers have already reversed aging in dogs, reprogrammed cells back to their youth, and identified the biological switches that control how we age. This isn't some far-off dream. It's happening right now in labs across the world. Let's think about this for a second. Picture a world where you're 150 years old, but you look and feel 25. You've had 8 different careers, lived through 3 centuries, and watched your great-great-grandchildren grow up. The entire economy as we know it would collapse overnight. Social Security was designed for people dying at 65, not living to 200. Retirement becomes meaningless. Society could split into 2 species, the ageless elite who can afford immortality treatments, and the short-lifers who age naturally. Your boss could literally be 300 years old with centuries of experience you'll never match. But the consequences of reversing aging go far beyond economics. They strike at the very core of what it means to be human. Who are you when you've lived 12 lifetimes? Your personality, formed in your teens, now has to stretch across centuries. Relationships become almost impossible to maintain. After 50 years together, do you still love the same person? And then there's the big one, overpopulation. Nobody dies, but people keep being born. Earth's population could explode to 50 billion or more. Resources would run out, cities would become vertical nightmares, and competition for everything would become brutal. So here's the question that will define our species. Just because we can live forever, should we? So, what do you think? Is the fountain of youth a blessing or a curse?